What is the best headlight for me? The HID projector. Let's talk about that. Hey guys, what's up? It's Jay Buen Suceso back with another video, and today we're gonna talk about the AES HID projector. Probably one of the major challenges that we face in riding a motorcycle here in the Philippines is the roads. I bet kahit ikaw ngayon na nanonood, na-experience mo ng malubak, and then andyan yung feeling na pagkatapos mo malubak, titingnan mo yung mags mo kung okay pa ba, di ba? I know the struggle. Kaya naman marami sa ating mga Filipino is nag-upgrade ng ilaw or nagdadagdag ng ilaw. And isa na ako doon. The first ilaw upgrade that I did is the D3100. It's been good, reliable, hindi malakas sa gas, mas maliwanag kesa sa stock. Hanggang ngayon nagagamit pa rin, pero nang pinsan ko na. Kasi guess what? Pinamana ko na after niyang malubak and nasira yung mags niya. And then nung fully paid na yung motor, awan ng Diyos, medyo maluwag-luwag na sa budget. So I finally decided to get an AES HID projector, and it's probably one of the purchases that I made that I get my money's worth. Just look at this video. So by the way guys, before we start, there are two kinds of projector. First one is the LED projector. Second one is the HID projector. Pagdating sa physical appearance, walang masyadong pagkakaiba yung dalawa. Pero kapag binuksan mo na yung main headlight, dito na nagkakatalo. Kasi yung LED projector, pag binuksan mo, is para lang wally na spot type. So ano yun? Para siyang flashlight lang, no? So comparing sa HID projectors is talagang spread yung ilaw na pangkotse. Using it for 8 months now, and so far this is the pros and cons on the AES HID projector. Umpisahan natin sa pros. Number 1, it can light up to 4 lanes. I'm talking about 4 lanes on a low beam. Sa iba siguro, oo, kaya. Basta naka high beam. Pero ito, low beam. Just look at this video. Number 2, hindi nakakasilaw. If we would compare the LED to the HID projector, the LED is nakadepende yung spread ng ilaw niya sa reflector ng headlight. Versus the HID projector, may sarili siyang bahay na bahala mag-distribute ng ilaw. Just look at the sample of this LED headlight. Okay, nakafocus sa gitna. Pero kung mapapansin nyo sa side, is may liwanag pa rin, no? So nakakasilaw yan, especially kapag sa mga kasalubong natin. Kahit naka low beam ka, para ka pa rin naka high beam kasi nga nakakasilaw dahil sa reflector. Number 3 is maporma. Probably one of the strong points of an HID projector is its ring light, or sa iba tawag nila yung angel eyes, no? Pwede rin may devil eye kung gusto mo mahuli ng LTO. Pero ayos, napakaganda niya. Number 4 is wide range selection of color temperature. Kung gusto nyo mag-iba ng kulay ng headlight, you can choose from 30,000 Kelvin up to 150,000 Kelvin. Meron ding blue, green, purple, and pink. Pero tayong simpleng mamamayan, stick lang muna tayo dun sa allowed na kulay dahil alam mo naman, mahirap ang buhay, wala tayong pambayad sa ticket. And with all of that being said, syempre walang perfect. Now let's move on to the cons. Number 1 is its price. Hindi siya affordable. Of course, what would you expect sa magandang product? Of course, it must cost something. Well, scourging on the internet, finding na mga nagagawa ng HID projector, it would cost you about 2,500 to 5,000 depending sa setup na ipapagawa mo. So, yes, alam ko, mahal. Hindi rin kasi biro yung paggawa sa kanya. So number 1, i-heat gun yung buong headlight assembly mo para matanggal yung lens kasi ipapasok siya sa loob. Then after nun is yung mga proper wiring pa and grounding. So talagang mausisa and hindi biro. Number 2 is it takes a few seconds before it reaches the full brightness. So, bakit naging konto? So, syempre, maliwanag. Tendency, papatayin mo yung headlight mo. Kailangan mo mag-passing light. So, hindi ka kaagad makikita kasi hindi instantaneous yung pag-ilaw ng HID projector. Well, anyway, di naman rin talaga magiging problema natin to kasi standard sa atin na dapat is nakabukas lagi ang headlight mo. So, yes, hindi ka agad-agad nagpo-full brightness ang HID projector. Number 3 is sitahin. Well, depending on the color selection that you want for your projector, kaakit-akit siya talagang tingnan. And kaakit-akit din sa mata ng ating pwedeng manikit sa atin, no? So, kung ang kulay ng projector mo is isa sa bawal, so handa ka na ng pangbayad sa ticket. But based on my experience, ito yung kulay ng projector ko eh. Kita nyo naman, safe colors. No? So, sa checkpoints, hindi pa naman ako sinabi na bawal daw yun. So, I guess okay lang as long as white, yellow, or orange. So, never pa ako natikitan. Number 4 is malakas sa battery. So, what would you expect from a performing headlight? Of course, malakas yan sa battery because originally is pang kotse rin naman talaga siya. So, yun, based on my experience naman din is I've been using it for 9 months already. Wala naman ako naranasan na nalobat ako. I think it's good. Basta alam lang talaga ng naggawa or nag-install na tama yung grounding niya, tama lahat ng pag-tap niya sa kung ano naman dapat i-tap. So, ayun. Wala ka nang magiging problema. So for our conclusion, the AES HID projector is probably one of the best headlights that is there on the market. Kung afford mo naman, then go for it. It's really worth the upgrade. Maliwanag, maraming kulay na pagpipilian, maporma, and malayo ang range na kaya niyang maabot. If you have questions, wag kayo mahihiyang mag-comment down below or mag-PM sa aking mga social media accounts. It would be linked down below. Shoutout nga pala kay Tom Ramonal Compo. Happy watching, sir. Ride safe po. So thank you so much for the support. We're gonna have a giveaway once I've reached 3,000 subscribers. Just make sure that you're subscribed and comment your name down below. We're gonna give away this T5 LED for the gauge. This one's color white, and also for this T10 park light, this one's color white as well. So it's a small thing to say thank you sa lahat ng suporta nyo, guys. So, and also I am also open for collaborations. Maybe set up a meeting with you guys para naman makausap ko kayo personally, and maybe collaboration possibly, no? Syempre iba-vlog ko rin yan. You could watch my other videos. It would be linked on the description down below. And also, guys, make sure that you are subscribed and click the bell icon para updated kayo sa lahat ng videos. Like and share nyo rin to para makatulong din sa iba. So again, I am J1 Suceso. Always pray, and I'll see you on the next one.